Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I do my vegan sourdough discard tortillas. First, in a small bowl, you're going to need 3 cups of flour. To that, we're going to add a teaspoon of baking powder and a teaspoon and a half of salt. Then we're going to add a whole cup of sourdough discard starter, preferably room temp if you can. Then we're going to add 1/4 cup of melted butter. I know that sounds like a lot, but trust me, you're going to need it. After all of the ingredients are in your bowl, you're going to combine it. I like to use a fork for this. You want it to get to be a shaggy dough. After that, we're going to dump it onto a floured surface and knead it and get it to be into a ball. Then we're going to put it back in the bowl and cover it to let it rest. You can add a little bit of oil if you'd like to prevent it from sticking. We need to let it rest for at least 40 minutes, but the longer you let it rest, the better. Up to 2 hours is wonderful. After it's done resting, we're going to take it and dump it out and cut it into 8 equal portions. Each one of these portions we're going to roll into a little ball with our hands. And then we're going to heat up a pan on the stove, a skillet, or like what I have is a tortilla pan itself. We want to heat that up, add a little bit of oil, and then we're going to roll out one of the balls as flat as you can. You want it as thin as possible to get this tortilla the right consistency. After that, we're going to put it onto the pan. Each side will cook for about 2 to 4 minutes, depending on how thick your tortilla is. And then after that, you'll have these delicious, fresh tortillas with a sourdough kick. Enjoy!